Hello guys, on my way to turn the chrome of my truck on black, I also have to do the door handles, and as you can see, the surrounding of the handle is already black, kind of matte because of the sun, and a new set of black housing with the handle is about 40 bucks each door in Canada. I am in Canada, so it's with the shipping and the taxes, it make about 250 bucks for the 5 doors, the tailgate and the 4 doors. So what I decided to try, I found some plating that stick over the handles and over the surrounding or the frame of the handles. It's kind of shiny, so I'm not sure I will like it, but I will try it since I pay about 40 bucks for the kit for the 5 doors. So it's not a big waste if I decide I don't like it. So I will install it and we will see what it looks like. So let's jump to it right away. Our RickStuff store is finally open, so go on spreadshirt.ca today to save as much as 15% on your RickStuff gear and accessories. Type RickStuff in the search bar and you will be redirected directly on our store page, where you'll find everything you need, whether it is for man, woman, kids, or even dog accessories. As usual, I will clean it with Windex, and after that I will clean it again with isopropyl alcohol to make sure there's no grease or no contaminant on it, so the 3M sticker or the 3M glue stick well on it. So as you can see, it's just a 3M sticker. It's not very thick, so there won't be a super big gap between the handle and the cap or the cover. Here, the sticker for the 3M. So the hardest part is to remove the protecting film. Still working. This is it for the passenger side.
Fait que là, j'ai signé mes affaires. T'es sûr, là? T'es sûr que c'est correct, là? Fait que là, les deux deviennent s'appellent.
There's no hole for the keypad, so I have no choice but to make the hole. Okay guys, so what I will do to make sure that I make the hole at the right place, I will take just a leftover of paint. I will spray it in the cap, and with it's a screwdriver, flat screwdriver, I will just put a dent of paint in the middle of the button. After that I will stick the cap to it so it will be marked on the cap, and I will hurry to wash the paint straight away with alcohol so my button doesn't stay dark because it's dark paint. I have all my hole now. I can wash the button right now before it sticks to it. So I will start with a 1/8 drill bit and see what kind of damage it does. The reason why I put masking tape is to minimize the damage, the plastic chipping, but now I will know if it's good plastic or not, because good plastic would chip and wouldn't chip, and bad plastic might chip. So for the Dremel, I have no choice but to remove the tape because I can't see very much what I'm doing now. Market, it's about that. It's a slow process, but I only have one chance to make it right. At this point, I will remove the tape and I will go with files because, as I said earlier, I don't want to make the hole too big. So I will just shave a bit, try it, shave a bit, try it until I get the right size for every button. At least the plastic is black, it's not white plastic with paint, so the surrounding of the hole is still black even if I cut through, so which is a good thing. Let's go and try it. The only thing that bothering me a bit is the button will be deeper than the plate. I'd like very much that they would have been flush since they're sticking out here. It's how it's made. I can still push on them, but as you can see, the alignment of the hole is pretty on it. Maybe just a little bit here, but the rest are pretty good. I need to clean my scissors with gasoline after because the glue is so sticky. One air. Should I put it one there? Moment of truth. So this is it, guys. The handles are black. It's very glossy. I would rather have matte black handles, but I will see. If I get bored with it, I will remove it and buy completely new door handle assembly. But for now, we'll try this because I'm saving a lot just by doing those capping instead of replacing the entire thing. But if you look closely now, there's no much chrome left on the truck. Apart for the mirror, obviously, but I don't want to smoke the mirror. So the headlight will be something that I will work on very soon. Still don't know which way I will go with it, but I will have to do something about it definitely. And the fog light, I believe they will stay like it because I need it to be clear. So unless I put some projector, it will stay like it. So in the front, it is the only chrome left. On the side we can see the mag. It's not chrome, it's aluminum mag. I will powder coat it next winter when the winter tires will be on the truck. The mirror already black. The badges, if you remember in the previous video, I had the chrome F150 XLT badges. Now they're black. Now the handle are black. Still a chrome here. The cargo light is smoke. The tail light are smoke. So even the chrome, if you look closely, it's chrome here. Here is white, but even the chrome look gray, so it's a good thing. So on the tailgates, I got the Ford F150 logo, the Ford logo, and the tailgate handle. I have the other handle, but I want the handle with the backup camera housing, so I will work on it as well. On this side's also the mag, but this is it for the chrome, guys. So I'm almost done removing the chrome on my truck, but don't worry, after the chrome will be removed, I will still have plenty of video for you. So this is it for now, guys. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the little bell so you will be notified as soon as I will release a new video. So on this, I wish everybody a great day and see you later. Bye.